Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to help sales teams go from lead to close in Salesforce. This process streamlines your entire sales pipeline, ensuring no opportunity falls through the cracks while giving you clear visibility on every deal's progress. First, navigate to the Leads tab by clicking the waffle icon in the top left corner, which opens your app launcher. If you're not already in the Sales app, locate and select it from the list. Once you're in, the Leads tab will display all your potential customers. Search for or click directly on the target lead record you want to work with. This lead represents a potential customer who has shown interest but hasn't been qualified yet. Now, at the top right corner of the lead record, you'll see a convert button. Click this to transform your lead into a full opportunity. This is a crucial step because it moves your prospect from the initial contact phase into an active sales opportunity that you can track and manage through completion. Next, head over to the Opportunities tab. Here you'll find the newly converted opportunity along with all your other active deals. Search for or click on the target opportunity record to open it. You'll immediately notice the path bar at the top, which displays stage chevrons that guide you through the sales process. Click on the current stage, typically qualification, and mark it as complete. This visual tracker helps everyone on your team understand exactly where each deal stands. Before moving forward, update essential fields like amount, close date, and probability. These details provide accurate forecasting data and help management understand the potential value of your pipeline. Add any relevant notes that might help you or your colleagues when following up. Now comes the systematic progression through stages. You'll advance sequentially through standard stages: prospecting, then qualification, followed by proposal. Each time you complete activities or reach milestones, update the stage accordingly. To document your interactions, log activities using new task or new event in the activity timeline. This creates a complete history of every call, email, or meeting related to this opportunity. After updating any information, always click Save to ensure your changes are recorded. Continue this process until you reach negotiation/review. At this critical juncture, you're finalizing terms and pricing with your prospect. Open the opportunity record one final time and select either closed won if you've successfully secured the deal or closed lost if things didn't work out. Click Save to finalize the outcome. You've now taken a raw lead all the way through your sales process to a definitive conclusion, creating valuable data for your team's analytics. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.